Merch by Amazon trending niche alert. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 funny political niches that I found that are starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe and give this video a like. Okay, now that we got the intro out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the first niche that I have for you is this phrase right here that says butthurt emails. This is basically trending because of what's going on with Trump, him being indicted. And this is basically Hillary, I think she made a statement or said something basically trolling Trump, because Trump was always talking about her emails and now Trump is the one getting indicted. So this is her way of trolling him. If we scroll down and we take a look at see what some of the designs look like, very easy to design for. We're going to see it's just simple text right here. So butthurt emails, butthurt emails, butthurt emails. Now you can get kind of creative on how you do the text, but it's pretty much it's all the same or pretty simple to design for. But when we look at these BSRs, we're going to see 425, 948. Now a lot of these were actually uploaded about a year ago. And when I did a little research on Google, I found this Instagram post. You can see right here, this was put out 44 weeks ago. So this was actually trending a year ago as well, but now with what's happened in the news, it's starting to trend again. So that's probably why we're seeing these low BSRs. So 425, 948, again, very easy to design for, low in competition, trending and selling. If we take a look on test to see if this is trademarked, but her emails, we hit enter, we're going to see that nothing pops up. Now, I did go ahead and design or upload a design onto Merch by Amazon. Because a lot of times people say, oh, that's trademarked, or oh, I uploaded that and I got a rejection. So I just went ahead and did it for you guys just so you can see. The only thing is that it just hasn't gone live yet, but let me just refresh it. Maybe it has by now, but it usually takes kind of like an hour for them to go live. Let me just see right here. I actually uploaded all 3 of these designs, and all 3 of them, at least 5 minutes ago, were in the processing. It's taking too long. Let me pause the video. Okay, so they haven't gone live yet, but we can see here we're on my merch dashboard right here. And if we look right here, we're going to see I just uploaded these butthurt emails. Now this is the only phrase that I use. I didn't use any other keywords. I basically just am uploading these to show you that, they are getting through and I'm not getting a rejection. Right? Because people always ask me or say comments, saying that this is trademarked, it's going to get you in trouble or rejection. And right here, it's in processing. So I can't show you the actual design because it's not live yet, but it has gone through and it has been approved. If we take a look at the competition on Etsy, we're going to see butthurt emails, 2,300 results. This is actually trending on Redbubble. I didn't even know that, but right here we're going to see butthurt emails. It's the little arrow that's ticking up. That means it is trending, 2,000 results. Me personally, I'm not going to be uploading this onto Redbubble or any of the other print-on-demand platforms just because I'm kind of paranoid, and lately Redbubble has been kind of sensitive to some of the designs that's been uploading. Now, I will say that the majority of the designs that they have been rejecting have been more kind of like the gay pride designs or like anti-LGBT designs, so that's probably why. This is probably fine, but I just don't want to have to deal with getting another email. So me personally, I'm just going to pass on this one for Redbubble. If we take a look on TeePublic, we're going to see butthurt emails. There's some little bit of competition. Now, me personally, for Merch by Amazon, I would not put Hillary Clinton, those keywords in the actual keywords. I would just use butthurt emails. Maybe use some like Democrat, progressive, leftist kind of keywords like that, but I would avoid anyone's names. So that is the first niche that I have for you. And then the second political niche that I have for you guys today is divorce your Republican husband. So we're going to see that there's only 20 results for this. I can't click on the third page because there isn't one. Here are what some of the designs look like. Again, this is a very easy text design. You just have to type out the text in Canva or Photoshop. Now the BSRs for this one are not amazing. We're going to see like 8 million. 6 million, 6 million, 6 million. So a lot of them are in the high millions. But if we look at this one right here, divorce your Republican husband on a tank top, it's under 500 for $19.99. So that's a pretty good one right there. So maybe try and do some type of, you can use a flag, you can use the messy bun. I think this has to do with some type of feminist quote, because if we go to some of the competition, or if we do a Google search for this, we're going to see funny feminist shirt, divorce. I think I saw it somewhere else down here as well. Something about a feminist quote. So, you can use other type of clip arts. Doesn't just have to be a flag. You can use sunglasses with the flag. You can use the messy bun with the mom wearing the sunglasses with the flag. So you get kind of creative there, but we can see that this is a niche that's very low in competition, and it is selling. You know, right now, the political niches are going to be doing very well until we get to the election. So for the next year and a half or so, we should see a lot of new trending political niches, and they do very well. But let's take a look at the competition. Let's check on test to see if this is trademarked. So divorcee Republican husband, hit enter, nothing pops up. When we go to Etsy, we're going to see very little competition, just this one right here. If you have Everbee, this Chrome extension, you can see how many times this has sold. Let's just do that real quick. While it's loading, we'll take a look at the competition on Redbubble. Only 10 results. Again, I don't know, just because you have the word, they're just so kind of weird lately with anything to do with like politics. And here's the one for TeePublic. Let's see if this is loaded. But basically what you can do is you can just pop over here and you can click on this analyze listing. Now this is the paid version. I think they charge like 20 or 30 bucks a month. But let's see if this is selling on Etsy. So this has, you can see here, a total of 11 sales. So this is selling on Etsy as well. Again, very easy to design for. So that is the second niche that I have for you, divorce your Republican husband. Now you can, you know, just you can switch this up and you can say divorce your Republican wife, divorce your Democratic husband, divorce your Democratic wife, you know, so you can switch this up. Doesn't have to be this. You can basically scale it is what I'm trying to say. So that's the second niche. And then the third niche that I have for you is it's a polarizing one. This is it's protect women's sports. So basically, this is for, you know, people that are against transgender people that are coming in and participating or competing in women's sports. That's a big polarizing topic. That's been kind of, you know, a big topic this year and the past couple of years actually. And so there's a lot of people that are against that. And so right here, you're going to see this is the phrase right here: protect women's sports. Only 289 results. If I go to the third page, we will also see that there's still only 289 results. If we take a look at some of the designs, again, this is a very simple design to design for. It's just basically text, protect women's sports. You can see here, not the best BSR, 1600, but if we go down to this one right here, we will see protect women's sports, you know, 585 BSR at 1799, so that's a pretty good one. Now you can also go this route as well, where you can say save girls sports. So that's another option. Now I don't know if this is trademarked or not. Whoops, didn't mean to click on that. But that's another option. So that's kind of 2 in 1. You can do protect women's sports or save women's sports. If we take a look at tests to see if protect women's sports is trademarked, we will see that nothing is pops up for that. I did go ahead and design for that niche as well. So right here we're going to see, it still hasn't uploaded yet. Right here we're going to see protect women's sports, protect women's sports. It is processing. I also did the divorce your Republican husband one, also processing as well. So I've been able to upload all 3 of these designs and they've all gone through, no problem. So should be good to go. Now I will mention, when I did upload these designs, I just did it on t-shirts and I did not select the youth. All right, so I just did men, women's, and t-shirts basically, or clothing, like hoodies as well. But if we take a look at the competition on Etsy for protect women's sports, we're going to see 1,200 results. If we go to Redbubble, only 155 results. And if we go to TeePublic, we're going to see just about 4 results right here. So that is the third niche that I have for you. And then the next thing that I want to share with you guys is this website that I use on a daily basis to keep my account safe. It's called Trade Merch. And basically what you can do is you can type video. I'm going to be sharing with you niche alert. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 2.5 niches that I found that are starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. Hello, everyone. Okay, so sorry about that. One of my other YouTube videos started playing. But this is basically a website that I use on a daily basis to keep my account safe. And what you can do is you can type in keywords, or you can add keywords into the monitor right here, so that in case any of these keywords or phrases or niches get trademarked in the future, you'll be notified. So like, for example, this one that we were just looking at, the protect women's sports. This one right here, you know, right now it's safe, it's not trademarked, but maybe it'll get trademarked, you know, in 6 months or in a year, and you might forget about it, and you might end up getting a, you know, a rejection or a takedown, and you don't want that because that's going to put a strike on your account. And so if you use this website, you'll be notified. You can see right here, protect women's sports. I just added into the monitor. You see it has added the new phrase. And so every day I get an email, and it basically will update me to see if any of my phrases that I've added into the monitor have been trademarked, and then if anything has, I can go into my merch account and I can do a little more digging, do a little more research, and if I feel like, you know, this might get me in trouble, then I will go ahead and just take down the design. So if you're interested in signing up to trade merch, I do have an affiliate link in my description. It's this first one right here that says my favorite POD tools. And then if you guys are looking for clip art or designs, you might want to check out Creative Fabrica. You know, so if you want to maybe make a design for that one that says divorce your Republican husband, and you want to look for maybe like some American sunglasses or something like that, this is a good spot to get clip art graphics from. They do have a deal going on right now where it's only $4.99 a month or only $59 for the year. I also have an affiliate link for that in my description. It's this one right here that says Creative Fabrica. So if you do sign up using my affiliate link, I do get a small commission, but highly recommend these guys. They have a lot of good stuff. They just offer a lot of good value. I mean, you got fonts, graphics, you got AI, you got courses. They have a whole POD section. So if you're interested, take a look. And if you guys are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or Redbubble, you might want to check out the courses that I have on Udemy. So this is the Merch by Amazon for beginners. It's step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. You're going to see what you will learn. The course content, I show you how I find these trendy niches or evergreen niches, both. How to keep your account safe. So a lot of good stuff there. It's over an hour of content. This course or these courses are good for beginners or people who are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. Here are the reviews, 4.4 course rating. This is the one for Redbubble right here. Similar. It looks like it bumped up to 4.9. Okay, so it looks like people are liking this one a lot. So Redbubble Masterclass, step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble. Same thing. Check out the course content. And it looks like, did it go up? Yeah, it was at 4.8 the other day. Okay, so looks like people are liking this one a lot. The price is only $19.99. They're on Udemy. If for any reason you don't like it, you can return it and get your money back. That's how Udemy has their deal set up. Now, if you're interested in these courses, links will be in the description. Also have them as a pinned comment. If we take a look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I have over 11,000 sales, close to $40,000 in royalties. And if we look at my credentials on Redbubble, you can see over the past 12 months, I've done almost $1,800. Used to do really good. You can see last year in July, $248. But now it looks like I've been doing right around $100 a month. So those are my credentials for Redbubble. Again, links will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Now, if you like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel. I put out videos on a regular basis just talking about trending niches, low competition niches, evergreen niches, just basically the niches and designs that we can upload onto Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms to make us some money. So if you like that kind of thing, subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, thanks so much for watching, and you guys have a great weekend. Bye-bye.